Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application, and once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon. On the profile page, you should see my devices, list of my devices, and on this list, there should be Zepp E watch. Tap on it to select it. Here, find the option called notifications and reminders, and tap on it. And right here we have incoming call notification, app alerts notification, and incoming SMS. First, let's tap on incoming call. And once you open this page, you may see the warning message right here at the top. Basically, it tells you to allow the access to phone permissions. So basically, if you want to, for the notifications to work, you need to allow certain permissions. So tap on the yellow message, allow the required permissions, keep tapping on it and allowing the permission until the message disappears. Here, as you can see, we got redirected to the do not disturb access. Scroll down, find the Zepp app, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow this do not disturb access, tap on allow, and then go back to the app. And once you're done with the permissions, the message will disappear, and at this point you can enable and disable the notifications for the calls. You can enable and disable the option to show the contact information when you receive the notification, and you can also enable or disable the option to delay the alerts. So basically, if somebody calls you, you can delay the alert on your watch. So the watch will wait a certain period of time before it alerts you about the call. And you can set the delay by tapping here, and then using the, you can swipe up and down to scroll through the list of numbers, select the duration you like, and tap on OK. Okay, let's go back. Now let's tap on app alerts. And here we can turn on and off the alerts for the applications. As you can see, we have the warning message, so we need to allow some permission. Tap on it, tap on OK. It will redirect you to the notification access or device and app notifications. What you need to do is to basically find the Zepp app, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and tap on allow. And then you can go back to the Zepp application. And now we can turn on and off the notifications. We can turn on and off the option to receive the notifications only when the screen is turned off on your phone. So basically, if you enable this option and your screen is on your phone, you will only receive the notification on your phone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable this option, it will be forwarded to your watch, even though the screen on your phone is turned on. And then you will be able to basically, you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps right here. And how it works is basically, if you enable the notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. So basically, you will see it only on your phone. So customize this to your liking, enable the notifications for the apps you want, and then you can go back. And last thing is incoming SMS. And here we can enable the notifications for the SMS, text messages basically. Okay, and once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And as you can see, we got it on our phone and also on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.